Welcome to the beautiful stage of the magical Broadway show, The Illusionists. In this particular VR demo, we're actually doing a collaboration with that guy, Adam Trent, to see what we can do to create some VR for use in a live performance. And what we thought we would do is just start with some card tricks. With that in mind, we swapped our controllers for hands and then created these cards which have an unusual way of flying and moving out into the space. So the idea was that we might be able to do card tricks, move things around, and integrate that with a live performance for our friend Adam. And this is the first part of that magical collaboration.